Turn your attention inward and take a deep breath. Focus at the calm, cool morning fresh air. Now connect yourself with something you are grateful of, either big or small. Connect with that feeling and tune into those sensations that are associated with that of gratitude, and feel the smile on your face. Now, as you take that deep breath in, have that sense of belonging because you are special and wonderfully made. Now, remind yourself that you can't control how people receive your energy. Keep doing your thing with as much integrity and love as possible. Now release that relief sign and say to yourself, I have an abundant mindset. I am living a life of abundance because I am special. I am loved. I am worthy. I am grateful for everything I have in my life, whether big or small. I cherish abundance of happiness that each day brings to me. Every day I am attracting wealth and abundance. Love and joy will continuously flow in my life and direction. I will openly share the abundance that I receive because I am love. My life is so full with the potential to create love and abundance. I am open to attracting life. Because I am open to attracting life, I will always see huge possibilities in my life. I will see the good side of things. I will touch lives positively. I deserve the abundance that enters my life constantly. I am grateful for every bit of wealth and riches I have, no matter what I have now or where I am now. I will always get better. I will always attract more good because I am a fighter. I refuse to give up.